right, using the nozzle on the front here is also something that we want to review. Now, as you noticed, this unit right here has the ability to go 360 degrees. So you can kind of adjust the location of your fan, right? So you could be horizontal with your fan pattern, or you could be vertical with your fan pattern. So depending on what it is that you're doing, most of the time I'm in a vertical position and I'm basically spraying the car, but you can have it in a horizontal position just in case you're trying to get up high on the roof or underneath the car or whatever the case is. That is a possibility. The other option here, and that's what this blue part of the snow foam cannon does, right? You rotate that and that kind of changes the direction of the fan pattern. Now, in terms of the width of the fan pattern, whether you want it to be narrow or wide, that's what this front piece does, right? And luckily, this is kind of very independent of this one. So if you change this, it does not change the horizontal vertical motion of the fan pattern. So as you open it up this way, so you'll see that these two blades are going to be further apart. That's going to actually create a much narrower, right, or a stream of foam that's going to be coming out of your cannon. If you narrow that down and make that smaller, it's going to take that water and it's going to spread it out, right, amongst that distance, and it's going to spread that out and make it further. Okay, so you can just adjust that and kind of play with that and see what you can do. And then hopefully it stays in that position, right? So the next time you use it, you're basically good to go. So again, this one changes the horizontal vertical motion of the fan pattern. This changes the fan pattern itself, whether you want it to be wider or narrower. And that's it. That's how easy that part of it is.